Okay, as you can see, we have right here the engine. We're going to take a look to the timing on the distributor. I am planning to replace all 4 spark plugs and also the ignition wires. Okay, so this was the position of the distributor. As you can see, all the way to the left. This 22R engine has to be something like this, something in the middle of the way, but this one is all the way to the top. If I remove the bolt right there, the 12mm bolts, and I move this distributor more to the left, now they lose more power. So I planning to take a look to the inside and see how the timing is. But to do this, you have to look for the top die center for the piston number 1. As you can see, I move my pulley, anti-reach right here, 0 degrees, and right here the notch on the harmonic balancer, so it's close to 0. So after that, I come in here and I wanna see how is the timing on the ignition distributor. Okay, everything is disconnected. So as you can see, suppose the number 1 is right here in this position. So the ignition rotor has to be from here to the bottom. Okay, a little corner to here to the bottom, to the left. That is the way where the ignition distributor has to be. So let me remove the ignition distributor cap. It was supposed to be, oh my goodness, I missed the 2 bolts for the distributor cap. Okay, so it was supposed to be from here to the left, this rotor, from here to the left, and it's a little bit to the top. So when I was moving the distributor to the right, okay, I can reach the desired position, like this one, a little bit more. This one has to be a little bit lower, to the left. But I move the distributor all the way to the right, and still I cannot reach. Right here is for the cylinder number 1, but this number 1 has to be right here with the corner, in position with this corner. So it has to be distributed from here to that. It's almost in place, but it's all the way to the right, as you can see right here. Okay, it's not supposed to be like that. It has to be in the middle way, and this one has to be all the way a little bit to the left, a little bit more. So my idea is remove the ignition distributor, move the distributor ignition rotor to the left 1 teeth and see what I have. Right here, so move the ignition distributor. Have to disconnect the vacuum hoses. What is this one? And it's gonna bolt. Okay. One from the other side, one from here, to get no confused. better. The position with this corner, and right here is in the middle way. Let me see if it is too much or no. It was like this, so it's too much. The corner almost aligned with this. Okay, going to leave in this position right here, as you can see. Okay, suppose this is the spot for the cylinder number 1. Right, and the ignition rotor is in this corner, close to the line. Okay, and right there is in the almost in the middle way. You can see the hole over there, so I can move a little bit to the right or to the left, but it's most for the left. Okay, so if this doesn't work, in my opinion, we have a problem with the timing chain. Okay, but let us do the test. Let me put everything back and see how it works.